Ryan from MFD Emergency Lighting. We've got a 2011 Tahoe according to the door sticker today. This comes to us from our local fire department. It is an investigator vehicle. This guy happens to run a K9 arson dog. They got this vehicle used from police agency. It's low mileage. We took some of their lighting that they had around, took some of our lighting, made them up a nice package for a reasonable price. Got a used push bumper Setina out front. It's got some of their lighting on it. We put a headlight flasher in. We've got the Fusion Fusion single color Fusion bar up in the windshield. Got Fusion surface mounts on the mirrors. T3s down on the running boards. Got Fusion surface mount in the rear quarter glass. Got Vertexes out back, along with 4 surface mounts up in the rear window. Inside, we've got a console and a mount. We've got a Havis accessory storage armrest, along with a combination printer mount armrest built into it. We're running the Typhoon Full Function in this. So if this is something you need, something like it, give us a call at MFD Emergency Lighting. And always remember, when you need to be seen, see us.